What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another restocking video. I am super excited to show you all what I'm stocking today because I have actually a limited edition version of Chanel No. 2 that I'm really excited to show you all, so let's get started, shall we? So we are going to go ahead and kick off with the OG, how we kick off every restocking video with my baby Chanel No. 2. She is very thick and glossy. This was actually from last week, this Chanel right here. Funny story, I actually broke my mixer this week and I had to make Chanel by hand. She was the only one that I hadn't made yet, so I had to make her by hand. So she is extra special this week because she had a little bit of extra TLC in her, you know what I'm saying? So you definitely want to get this one. It smells just like Bubblicious bubblegum, which is super sweet and fresh. And I just really love her. This has been the best seller in my shop forever, so you might want to pick this one up, just saying. Moving on, we have the limited edition version of Chanel No. 2. This is Chanel No. 3. I know, so crazy. This one here is a really nice glossy slime as well. However, it is a chewed up bubblegum slime. This one is scented just like strawberry bubblegum, which is honestly like my favorite thing in the world right now. It smells so good. This one is great for bubble pops and everything like that. There will be other limited edition versions of Chanel No. 2s coming out, and so it'll follow suit with Chanel No. 3, 4, 5, 6, things like that. And there will be an opportunity in the near future to actually get them all like as a bundle, so definitely keep that in mind. But if you want to start collecting them now, you most definitely can. I really love this one. The scent is amazing, the texture is great, and the bubble pops are A1. Next up, this one here is called Cupcake Ice Cream. I actually posted a little teaser of this on my staff account on Instagram, so if you haven't followed me there, you should definitely do that at Uniicorn Slime Shop Staff. But definitely this one is really good. This one is scented just like birthday cake. It is a cloud cream, so it's very thick, sizzly, and creamy, and it does come with this little cupcake charm, which I think is super cute. It has a little heart on top of it. I just love it so much. This one is very sizzly and creamy, like I said, and it's just really good with all of the little rainbow foam beads in it. It just makes it super festive, and I love it. Next one up, this one is called Spa Day. It is scented just like cucumber melon, which is everything to me. The scent is just so soothing to me, I think. If you've never had a slime or anything scented cucumber melon, you're definitely missing out because it is one of the best scents ever. Just saying. However, this one is a really glossy. This one is a little bit sticky in the video, so I apologize for that. But it's very glossy, and it has some green foam beads in there as well, just to give it some extra texture. And I really love this one. It is so good. Next one up, we have a semi-white glue foam here. This one is called Little Crush, and it's scented just like an orange soda. Like, the scent is so spot on. It is actually crazy. But this one here, it has various orange foam beads in there. There's also a little bit of yellow foam beads just to give it, you know, a little bit of different color. I really love this one because it's almost like a full foam. Like, it's packed with foam beads in there. However, it's still very stretchy, just like a normal slime. So I really love this one. You can definitely poke it still as well. It's just really good. And that orange soda smell, though, is so good. Alrighty, next one up, I decided to bring back from the slime graveyard because I haven't had it in a while. This one here is Unicorn cereal. I love this one a lot. I know I'm saying that I love all these, but obviously they are my children, so I obviously have to love them. But this one's really nice because it smells like Fruit Loops, and it is everything to me. All the little beads in there as well. There are some little purple and pink foam beads, and then some large rainbow foam beads just to give it a unicorn cereal kind of look. The slime texture is amazing. Great bubble pops because of all of those foam beads. So if you like to crunch your slime, then this is definitely the one for you. And next one up, this one here is called Kiwi Punch. It is scented like watermelon kiwi, and it is a glossy slime as well with the foam beads, just to add in some little texture, you know what I'm saying? So there's some small green foam beads and then some large and small pink foam beads, which makes it really, really nice texture, great for bubble pops as well, just because of the foam beads. You know, it creates the air pockets and stuff, and you definitely get those bubbles to squeeze them out. It's really, really nice. It smells like kiwi watermelon, which is so refreshing and great and so sweet, and I just really love this one a lot. It kind of reminds me of a Sour Patch Kid. I don't know why, but I live. I have finally decided to come up with another Oreo slime. If you don't know, I've had a whole bunch of Oreo slimes like candy corn Oreo, birthday cake Oreo. Well, this one here is red velvet Oreo, special for Valentine's Day. It smells just like a red velvet Oreo. Obviously, it has a nice layer of red and white foam beads at the top that you can mix in for great bubble pops, and it smells just like red velvet Oreo. There's a bunch of black glitters throughout as well, just to give it kind of that Oreo milkshake kind of feel, you know what I'm saying? But the base of it is very glossy and creamy, and you're gonna love this one if you love Oreos or chocolate or red velvet in general. It's so good. And last but not least, this one here is actually a new slime as well. This one is called Splish Splash, and it is a clay slime, so it has a little bit of clay in it, and it does come with this rubber ducky charm, which I think is super, super cute. The whole theme of this was just kind of like a bubble bath, so the blue is kind of like representing the water, and there's obviously a duck in the water, so it's really, really nice. This one is scented like rock candy, which is honestly one of my favorite scents at the moment as well. It smells so, so good, and I just think this one is super, super cute. I was gonna make it a clear slime, but then I was like, you know what? A clay slime is the way to go because it's super, super holdable. If you have hot hands, it won't melt on you. Like, it's just really, really nice and creamy as well. You're gonna love this one. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this restock. I really hope that you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. The restock is happening in probably like less than 45 minutes. I am super shook, so go to my website. The link is down in the description box below. Get you some slime. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!